So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your Pocket, and a huge release coming from Grok AI, that is Grok 4.5 has been released. Grok 4.5 SpaceX AI's smartest model, and it is just behind Fable and GPT. As you can see, not just that, you can try the model for free also. They have given access for a limited period of time. Today we are launching Grok 4.5, SpaceX AI smartest model built to excel at coding, agentic tasks and knowledge work. It's our strongest model ever and was trained across Cursor. Real world engineering excellence. As you can see, Deep SWE 1.0. The model is just behind GPT 5.5 High and Fable Max. That's the best part. On the Deep SW 1.1 also, I think it is overtaken by Opus 4.8, but still it's one of the top 5 SW Marathon, the best model release, beating out Fable Max also. Terminal Bench also you can see, and SW Bench Pro also. Training Grok, it is trained across thousands of NVIDIA GB300 GPUs with training and stability techniques built with one prompt. Grok 4.5 is incredibly capable at coding, from challenging Rust and C++ tasks to end-to-end app building from prompt to production also. Faster than Flash models, Grok 4.5 is served at fast model speeds of 80 TPS. As you can see, token efficiency 4.2, fewer tokens. That's a great number. So if Opus 4.8 is producing 6,000 tokens, it produces 15,000 tokens. Excel is office work. Pricing, it is delivered at pricing of just $2 per million input tokens and $6 per million output token. How to get started? It is available for free on Grok build. So we'll be installing that, trying the model, and let's see what it comes out for us. I think we are on the wrong page now. This is the page Grok 4.5. You first of all need to copy this command and copy it in your PowerShell or WSL. I've already done that. Let me show you my window now. As you can see on my screen, I have run the command irm x.a install.psi1 iex downloading grok 0.2.93. Once you see it's the installation has been done, I just call grok now, and we should be able to see here grok build beta. Grok 4.5 is here, and if you see, the model is grok 4.5 high, so I'm using that. Hey, build me a streamlit website for India tourism and launch in localhost. So I'm just trying it with a basic command. Let me see how it responds to it. As you can see, I think they've given 500k tokens for free, so that's a good number, I would say. Yes, proceed. Check Python Streamlit and home directories. It's consuming tokens. It's just given for testing. I think 500k tokens is still a pretty much. You can do many tasks, and this is one of the best AI models released so far. I think just been Fable and GPT 5.5 high on most of the benchmarks, and on some benchmarks on Opus 4.8 also. But still, one of the biggest release coming from Grok AI from Elon Musk. As you can see, it's creating the project under your folder, home folder, installing Streamlit, building a multi-page India tourism app. While Streamlit installs, I'll scaffold the app files. As you can see, responding in a few seconds. This is taking some time responding. It is taking its own time. While Streamlit installs, I will scaffold the app file. So it is installing Streamlit. It might not be available in my system. So this is like a coding agent that was released by Gemini CLI also. If you remember Claude Code also, now Grok has also released the Grok build. So I think this is on the same lines that they have released an AI coding agent. Once you install, I'll scaffold the app. I think the installation has been done now. Create project directory and install Streamlit. Responding in a few seconds. Click here to upgrade. Shift tab, you can change the mode. You can cancel. Control plus X, you can create shortcuts also. I just want to check how good the model is. You can even stop it. You can change the model also. But Grok 4.5, given the benchmark, looks quite good for coding. I think top 5 for sure. And obviously, a good time to test out one of the best models out there using Grok Build 2. So let's wait for a while before it builds a Streamlit website for us. As you can see, it's asking allow all edit during this session. Yes, I've done that. Waiting for the response. Yes, proceed. It's trying to launch the app now. Launch Streamlit app on port 8501. Yes, proceed again. Launch Streamlit from project directory. India tourism Streamlit app.py data.py requirements.txt readme.md. Waiting for response. Click here to upgrade. Launch Streamlit from project directory. As you can see, it is taking its own time, waiting for response. Streamlit is launched now. The server is running on the background. Open the local URL in your browser to browse it. Where is the local URL? Let me check that. Let me see and how good it has performed for us. And this is a Streamlit website that is created by Grok 4.5 for us within few seconds, within few minutes, 3 minutes, and I think it looks quite good. Trip planner is there, destination, travel tips, etc. Quite good work within 3 minutes. I think it's worth trying out. Do try out Grok Build. The link is in the comment section. Grok 4.5 is here now, my friends. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.